My name is Carly Jacobson, and I do business development and partnership outreach for Instructables. Instructables is a do-it-yourself project sharing website, so we have over 180,000 tutorials posted by people all around the world, so anybody can upload their projects to the site. We have different categories like food, so we get recipes. Our workshop category has a lot of home renovation projects, woodshop projects. We have a lot of robotics and technology projects and a lot of papercraft and crafting content. So pretty much every subject you can think of, we have it on our site. So Instructables is part of the Autodesk Consumer Products Group. Our stuff's really for consumers, so we've got photo editing apps and drawing apps and 3D modeling apps that are really for the everyday person. A good Instructable is all about the quality of the content that you're uploading. So all of our stuff is picture and text. So really high quality pictures, thorough explanations of what you're building. So we really want people to be able to recreate the projects that you're uploading on the site in real life. So a good tutorial is just very thorough and clearly explained. It's definitely become very mainstream DIY. I've noticed that you're finding it not just on Instructables, but you're finding it on social media and other communities online. We have a program at Instructables where we partner with makerspaces around the world. We have a network of over 500, and we bring in companies. So right now we're doing one with Silhouette, and the company sends us product, and then we send the product to the makerspaces. And then the makerspaces post tutorials back on our site using those products. So for example, with Silhouette, we sent them portrait machines, and the makerspaces are getting to post any types of tutorials that they want on Instructables using those machines. Yeah, Silhouette products fit in really well with our audience because people are just making with them already. We see a lot of papercraft content on our site. We see a lot of general home decor and anything like that. So it's just a natural fit for what our audience is already doing. Yeah, we've seen a lot more Silhouette projects and tutorials on our site moving into the tech scene. We've got a lot of PCB board designs for circuitry layouts and different stuff like that. So it's definitely being adopted by different audiences. So Silhouette came to our office at Pier 9 in San Francisco, and we held a live broadcast where we showed 3 Silhouette tutorials that are actually live on Instructables. The live broadcast was held on Meerkat, which is a live streaming app for smartphones. We had people live tweeting at us, asking us questions. We were answering questions as they were asking it. So it was really great to integrate all the other projects that we've been doing with Silhouette into this culminating broadcast. We want to see people creating new stuff, like I was saying with the tech category, seeing stuff that you guys haven't seen before, but it's kind of got the Instructables flavor into the Silhouette tutorials. We're already recommending the Silhouette, I feel to our audience. We've got people on our staff really excited about using it. I mean, the more people are posting on Instructables with the Silhouette, that's awesome.